This version of the pump kit doesn't actually get far enough to prime, but it does get far enough to rotate. I currently have a new version on the printer off camera that way. But yeah, pump kit. It's very good. I'm also going to make a new muzzle with my barrel collet for quick swapped barrels like I do on the Silly Pistol. I also have a whole thing that covers up all of this all the way across the top, and then attaches some Picatinny rail up there. And I'm also going to be working on a stock lug back here, probably end stripe. And then also I'm working on a T-pull that you attach to this bit on the normal top side of the Deuce Pro. T-pull right there, pull it. And probably 3D printed replacement cylinders, but those are going to take a bit longer. Yeah, pretty good.